So I said I was just finished yesterday, but I ended up having a couple of finishing touches and decided to share that with you guys too. We just lined the end of this pipe with riprap just to kind of displace some water and also make it look a little bit better too. Pretty easy, not that labor intensive. Line this side. I like doing especially the head wall, the entrance side of a pipe, just because when you first do a bunch of work like this, there's always some loose sediment. So this gives that sediment something to get trapped in instead of inside your pipe. So this driveway turned out really nice. I'm happy with it. Thanks for joining me yet again on this super short little segment. If you guys like learning about excavation and grading on a smaller scale, hit the subscribe button and join us on the next video. We love you guys. Peace.